Hi everyone, in this video we're going to see how to install Dataform Tools Vscode extension using uh, dev containers. So dev containers allows you to isolate the development environment for your project or for an extension in this case where you have many dependencies. For example, in the Vscode Dataform Tools extension, I have Dataform Tools, gcloud, and SQL Fluff as is dependency. So the requirements for using dev containers is, one, you should have Docker, and two, you should have the dev containers extension installed. But these will be automatically installed when you open a project that has a dev container file. I'll let you know exactly what I mean. So if I open the dummy project that I've set up with the dev container set up, so what I'll do is clone this onto my system. So if I go here and just do git clone and paste that URL in, and cd to football data form and open Vscode here. So if I open that, it's gonna open in a, has it already opened? Let's see. Yep, it's already opened that. And now if I open the dev containers file, what should happen is I should have the command that's called dev containers rebuild and reopen in container available. So if I click that, it's going to build an image based on what I've specified here. So if you see here, it has, if I go back or just show the logs here, it's building the Docker image with the specified setting. So the settings being, I think it's easier if I just go to the repo and show you exactly what I mean. So if I just do dev container.json, so you see, like, I've installed Node, gcloud, SQL Fluff on the base image, and also installed the extension and the errorless extension, and I'm installing the Dataform CLI at the end of the installation. So if I go back to Vscode where dev container was being installed, I get an error for BigQuery, which is something I would expect. I'll tell you why. And Dataform extension recommends this. Don't show this again because I've already installed it, and it's showing me that the change log, see the latest version. We're gonna not bother with that. So we're gonna jump immediately into action, press enter, and get rid of the logs. Let's open a new terminal here. So if you would see, like, if I do pwd, this is like completely separate workspace from my laptop itself, which is why you would use something like this where you would have like tons of dependencies and you don't want to bother your main system packages and mess up all the versions and stuff, right? So I can open one of the SQLX files. Let's open them a bit nicer and complicated, not complicated, like something else going, like a lot of other things going on as well. So how would, if you haven't used the Dataform Tools extension before, what you would do here is you would press Control S, and once the extension is saved, you'll see the compiled query at the bottom, and you would see like the path of the file. And as I said, the BigQuery error is expected. That's because we haven't set up the gcloud yet. That's something you would have to do yourself. So gcloud init, if I run that, it'll give me a link, and I'll paste that link in. Do you want to sign in? Yes, I do want to sign in. Now if I just copy this link and go to Chrome, paste this in, click on my email, and allow, copy, go back to Vscode, paste that in, select the project, yes. Do you want to configure the zone? No, I don't want to do that now. And what is the next command that's there, which is the application default login. Same thing again, go back, paste it in, choose the email, let's go, and paste that in, right? And now if I scroll down, I need to configure the project. So set project followed by your project ID. So set project, I know I can get my project ID from, I think it's workflow.settings. If I drag that here and take this in, paste it here, that's it. So now I've completed the process that was defined in the error message as the possible fix to that error, which is like not the error, essentially it's like an installation process. If I save this now, I should technically get the bytes processed. Let's actually go to like a file where actually there's a tangible amount of bytes processed. So yeah, now you have all the other functionalities available that is in the Vscode extension.